We all find ourselves on this planet and we're conscious. None of us asked for this situation to happen. We're just here. So now we have to decide, what are we going to do with it? I would like to pose a question. If we deeply contemplated the future of our species in the biggest terms possible, and we asked, wouldn't it be amazing if we could be more?
All right. What is up, friend?
Today is Testing Tuesday. We are doing, I think, about a dozen different tests. So we've been doing this for 2 years of measurement to scientific evidence to protocol back and forth, and it's what's produced 50 perfect biomarkers for me, 100 measurements that are less than my chronological age, perfect body fat and muscle, 24% slower rate of aging, and the epigenetic age reversal record. All of it is a product of this process of measurement evidence protocol. A lot of people look at what I'm doing and they call me ridiculous or extreme or eccentric. The funny thing is they have no idea. I actually do more than they're aware of. I suppose I'm extra plus or ridiculous plus. It's a full-time job for sure, maybe even more, but I can't imagine doing anything more fun. Let's do it. Testing Tuesday.
Good morning.
Let's get started.
As you get older, for men,
Yeah.
this gets bigger.
Yeah.
This should stay the same.
I think it's the same ratio as my 17-year-old. On this one, I think I'm gonna win.
Is he here?
You know what? We should get him in here.
We should.
It's really, this is really all about beating talent.
As you get older, this number is going to be wider, right? Because you lose sensitivity. So a young person, this should be small. And that's what we're trying to get for Bryan. Okay. So you're going to tell me if you feel 1 or 2 points, okay?
Yeah. What was my previous score?
Really good. I forget what age it was, but like low 20s.
2. 2. 1.
Perfect.
How'd you do?
I don't
You
know.
could get within 4 millimeters.
That's a lot better.
I know, that's really great.
Hey, Talmadge, I just put up some big, small numbers.
For what?
4.9 millimeter discretion on 2 points and feeling those at the bottom of my feet.
If you did this on your grandpa, it'd probably be very low.
You'd be like, you touching my knee or my foot?
Yeah.
Oh.
Stay on
Good start
schedule.
to Testing Tuesday.
All right,
Is that what it's called?
that's what we're
It's just
calling
a
it.
Wednesday, but
Facts are irrelevant.
Sorry.
are you trying to get bigger?
I want to be like you, yeah.
What are we doing?
How similar or dissimilar?
You're the same waist.
This is also an age test.
Okay, Clark Kent.
Yep.
You're gonna put this on your nose as close as you can with that. Did that move your glasses at all?
No. H. This final test we're doing is, I'm doing a lung rejuvenation protocol. We use this ultrasound machine to measure my whole body, but specifically my lungs. Then I got COVID 3 months ago and we found out that this one marker in my lungs, B lines, which are bad, B for bad, they increased by 118%. So bad. And so now we're trying to get rid of those B lines, and so we're doing a therapy. As part of the therapy, we are measuring what's called my QT interval, which is just looking at the health of my heart. When the kids were young, I would tell them I have 2 hearts. In case one ever stops beating, I've got a backup.
No dad bod, but plenty of dad jokes.
Today's Testing Tuesday is going really well. So far, good to excellent results. Nothing that is in the negative zone, so good deal. Okay, going on here, I'm waiting for the results. I think I did well. Let's see. It's pretty intense.
And on the last test, on the right foot you had 5.88, and on the left foot you had 6.54.
Yes!
So you are much better.
That's a big difference.
2 millimeters different.
Yes. So over the course of just a few months, I dramatically improved the level of sensitivity I have on the heel of my foot. And again, these are hard things to do. So I guess I'm a little bit less numb to life and a little bit more vibrant to life. Otherwise, testing Tuesday was a huge success. Sometimes these results go the other way. Today, they were all either perfect or exceptional. So big win today for testing Tuesday.